Hello, everybody. It's Stephen here for Blend Designs and the Idiot Quilter. And just a reminder that Walter and I will be on live today, Sunday, November the 5th at, what time do we usually do it? 4 o'clock. Why am I confused? You might be too. Here where we live in Ontario, Canada, our clocks went back early this morning at 2 a.m., back 1 hour, fall back, spring ahead. So that may screw up some of your timings in your time zone. I don't know. You'll have to look it up and see. We will be 4 o'clock our time, which is actually 3 o'clock the old time, but not really because it's 4 o'clock our time. Yeah. So that's today, Sunday. I had to think about the date. November the 5th. 2023 at 4 p.m. Eastern Time, whatever that really is in your time zone. Okay? See you then. Bye.